FiveStar.Design has been providing high-quality custom kitchen and bathroom remodeling services to the Bucks County, Pennsylvania area since 1982. We are family-owned and operated. We are fully licensed and insured and have over 30 years of kitchen and bathroom design and remodeling experience. We have our Pennsylvania and New Jersey contractor licenses and are LEED certified and certified as a lead paint removal contractor. We are a trusted and reliable remodeling contractor. We are committed to giving high-quality personalized service and expert craftsmanship. FiveStar.Design specializes in full custom kitchen remodeling. Let us design and build the kitchen of your dreams. We install kitchen cabinets, kitchen accessories, hot water dispensers, garbage disposals, kitchen sinks, bar faucets, and bar sinks. We also specialize in full custom bathroom remodeling using the latest technology and appliances. We install bathroom accessories, bathroom sinks and toilets, bathtubs, clawfoot tub work, custom shower systems, medicine cabinets, steam baths and whirlpools, and much more. We design and offer custom kitchen and bathroom cabinets. We install Omega and Continental, which are custom cabinets, Dynasty, which are semi-custom cabinets, and Timberlake and Samson, which are stock line cabinets. Call us today for all your kitchen and bathroom remodeling needs. Please call 215-321-7200.